Alright, so long story short, we're changing a guest room to a kid's room and we have to repurpose a bunch of old furniture. So I'm building a temporary bookshelf. It needs to have at least 7 linear feet of space, and I'm going to make it with a little bit extra. Making it out of 3/4 inch plywood, and then eventually it might end up down here in the shop once we get a nicer bookshelf. So it's going to be plywood, it's going to be painted, it's nothing going to be fancy, but I'm hoping it's going to be quick. Alright, this is one of those nights where I come down to the shop and realize that everything is entirely fucked up. I got about 10 different projects going at once, and I'm going to show you around because I think today I just actually need to clean and maybe put a coat of paint on something, but let's start here. So I made this simple plywood bookcase for my wife's office. I'm going to paint that white. To do that, I grabbed these old paint sprayers from my dad. Neither of them work. They both appear to be clogged, so I'm trying to let them soak to clean them out a little bit. We got the baby monitor because daughter's not asleep yet. So I grabbed some paint out, so that's for this project. This is leftover stuff from building the cabinet. I wanted to turn a little pot thing out of this chunk of ash. I got as far as getting the plate out for that. I'm not done. More stuff from building the cabinet. Yeah, I have some sanding stuff out. I pulled out these oak pieces to build legs for another cabinet. These are scrap from an old project that I need to get back to. And then in the back here I have some plywood for a bed frame that I'm making. That a rough cut, and now I need to kind of sand and assemble. And then here's the last thing. I got this soldering set for some stained glass that I want to try in a couple weeks. So I got this this pad and some tools and some foil that I want to try. But right now it's kind of all just cluttering up and it's making me a little insane. So I think the only thing I can do right now is put a coat of paint on the cabinet, because that just feels like the first thing. So I'm gonna get started. I'll probably get one coat on. It's already 10 after 8, so yeah, we'll see what we can do. Just putting on some Simply White Benjamin Moore. My wife wanted it just white, and yeah, the other thing is I'm gonna kind of veneer the edges with some oak to make it a little bit nicer, but
Yes, sweetie.
Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next week.